Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this is my nighttime cleaning routine. This is what I do every night after my 9-month-old goes to bed. I start by organizing her playroom because after a long day of playing in it, it's just a complete eyesore. And I wait until after she's asleep because if she was awake, she would just pull out all the toys again. Next, I'm moving on to my living room where I'm just putting the pillows back on the couch and folding the blankets and putting them away. I'm really just focusing on maintenance cleaning because I work overnights as a nurse, so I don't like to spend too much energy on cleaning. I save the dusting and the deep cleaning for the days that I have off. Next, I'm moving on to my kitchen where I start with the dishes. I put away all the clean dishes on the counter and then I load my dishwasher and run it. Next, I move on to hand washing any dishes that I either couldn't fit in the dishwasher or that have to be hand washed. After doing the dishes, I just like to clean out the sink just to get off any food or residue that might be left behind. And finally, I'm on the last part of my dishes, which is just washing my daughter's bottles. Next, I'm just spraying down all the surfaces of my kitchen with a spray by the brand called Rebel Clean. I'm not a huge fan of it. I definitely like the Miss Myers or the Method spray better. I just feel like this spray doesn't leave my countertops as shiny, but I need to finish up the bottle and it gets the job done. And then finally, the last thing I have to do is just real quickly sweep the kitchen floor. I'm not going to worry about mopping tonight because it wasn't that dirty and I was running really low on time before I had to get ready for work. So this is the final product. It probably only takes me about 30 minutes every night. I hope it gives you guys some cleaning motivation, and if you want to see more videos, I plan on uploading more like this, so please subscribe and thanks for watching.